Trying to design a ceremony that fits your style and taste can be a bit overwhelming. This planning kit will simplify the process. To begin, you may find it helpful to print off pages 2 and 3. Note that the table of contents shows all the page numbers, making it easier for you to find sections on ceremonies, vows, readings, enhancements, etc. Okay, your first decision is to pick your ceremony. By looking at the table of contents, you can probably narrow it down to 1 or 2 ceremonies pretty quickly. Find the ceremonies in the planning kit and decide which one fits your style the best. Embedded within each ceremony, you will find some sample options that you can elect to keep or delete in your script. Now, using the ceremony design form, you can easily document your final choices of vows, readings, and options. Then, all you have to do is send us your final decision. You can send us a copy of the final design form directly, or send us a copy of the final script, or you can email us your list of preferred preferences. Whatever is easier for you. Your final step is to watch the rehearsal video. This will give you a much better sense of how it's all going to flow together. If you have any questions, just let us know. We are here to help. Thank you and congratulations.